Software installation. Right-click on the WLIR installation package. Click Run as Administrator. Click Next. Click Next. Click I agree to the license terms and conditions. Install. Close. Install. Click Finish. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Right-click on the WLIR shortcut. Click Properties. Click Compatibility. Click Run this program as an administrator. Apply. OK. Open WLIR software. The software installation was successful. Disable driver signature enforcement. Click Start. Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoots. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Tap keyboard number 7. USB driver installation. Make sure the thermal camera is turned on and connected to the computer. Right-click this PC. Click Manage. Select Device Manager. Right-click on Easy USB. Click Update Driver Software. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Browse. Select the folder where the USB driver is located. Choose OK. Click Next. Choose Install this driver software anyway. Click Close. Confirm that the USB driver update is complete.